What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually not gonna do an install on my car, but we're gonna go see a good friend of mine, Daniel. I don't know if you guys know, but I'll link it right here. She pulled the trigger and bought a FDF kit just like me. So in honor of that, I'm going to be helping him install it and get it all dialed in. So we got the Ferrari loaded up with everything we need, and now we're gonna make a trip down to him. So see you guys in San Diego. All right, well, I just got here. Daniel is gonna move the car and put it forward. Look at that wheel trying to skip. And then we're gonna begin. Nice, dude. We got the goods here.
Hell yeah.
Oh, they sent you the nice one.
On.
Why didn't I get that one, dude? You got the nice one. That's what's up. FDF gang, dude.
Let's go.
That's what's up. So as you guys can't tell already, my boy got the Mega Mantis kit.
Stoked.
Hey, that's so awesome. He came and checked out my car.
Right here.
Hey, dude.
He's the one that sold me on it, to be honest.
You the man. He came and checked out the car, loved it. I'm so happy you got it, bro. It made me so stoked. Alright, what's popping, guys? So we're actually on our second day now out here coming to see Daniel. The first days we ran into a couple issues, a couple things are different. His kit's a little different. I think his kit has the new like type design, not really sure, but it's all good, no problem. That's what friends are for. So we're back down here for day 2. So we finally got everything dialed in. Ooh, those Part Shop Max coils, dude. Looks very similar. Nice, gang. So we got everything dialed in. Now he's just tightening all the last stuff, but looking good. Awesome. So yeah, that's the billet piece that we were talking about. I'm still curious to find out if that's like their new design, but it looks nice, dude. It looks strong as hell. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys remember, but in my video when I installed my kit in the instruction manual, that design is the design. So maybe I got the old gen kit or the old design, Daniel got the new one. We don't really know, but it worked. Yeah, they're both made really well. As you guys saw, that piece is billet. On mine, that's steel welded. His is a billet piece. I think the billet piece is stronger. Earlier Daniel was saying no, the weld is stronger. Comment down below, let's see what the internet thinks. Yeah, overall they should both perform fantastically.
How did you get this in there, bro?
But yeah, so we finished. Now Daniel just needs to get the spacers from PBM, just like a little small one, to be able to clear, because I guess his wheel is rubbing right here. But everything looks solid. Killer install.
Bro,
Killer,
thank you,
dude.
bro.
Good job. Nice. All you, dude. He actually did the whole install, majority of it himself.
Nah, he walked me through it. Don't let him play you.
Yeah. But the whole point of this was that I came out to help him install this so he can understand how it works. Because ultimately, if something does happen trackside, he's the only one who's going to be able to work on it, and he needs to understand how everything works. So I'm glad I could help. Really good time. Now we're gonna go play some sim. I don't know if we talked about this. Oh yeah, no, I'll bring the GoPro, but Daniel has a simulator with like the whole setup. This man got everything you need.
You're about to get one too.
Oh yeah, he's convinced me to buy one.
Like beef or chicken better?
Both.
Like
Just
your know-how.
just get whatever. I like everything.
Wherever the
Oh, we got Grange.
You fast into a corner, you brake.
Oh yeah. I forgot the brake pedal, dude. I only thought the clutch and...
Bro, it's a lot to take in. And
dude, it's so much.
yeah.